Hello! An emergency deactivation of the factory alarm system and start the engine of Toyota Camry 2017 with the help of a compact programmer for Toyota Lexus from 2008 till 2017. This is the key programmer for unlocking smart modules and programming smart keys of Toyota Lexus from 2008 till 2017. This is the tested car Toyota Camry 2017. Check that the car is closed. Open the driver's door with a mechanical key and the factory alarm system is immediately activated. Enter the car and connect the programmer to the OBD2. Turn on the programmer, select the menu option Unlock, immediately turns off the factory alarm and unlocks the car central locking. Select the Quick Key option in the menu and bring the programmer to the Start-Stop Auto button. The engine started. A message on the screen that the data is saved. Disconnect the programmer from the OBD2 connector. Close the driver's door. The display on the dashboard shows the absence of a key in the passenger compartment. Let's go. Now briefly about the functionality of the programmer. In the option Read, Write and Delete VIN auto code, we select Reading. VIN code of the car is considered and it can be edited if needed. Select the option to add a key. Message: please bring the master key to the Start-Stop Auto button. Choose the option to unlock the factory alarm system, turn off the ignition of the car, and lock all doors from the button of the car. Press Unlock and the all car doors are unlocked. So far is all. Thanks for watching.